We did a young reader edition, which has taken me in front of a lot of young people, and that's been really exciting and heartening for me too. And one of the things that I think has really helped that particular book land well is that it's just hard talking about tough topics. Race, politics, gender, all these sorts of things. And I think it strikes a tone that is kind, welcoming, safe space. We're all in this together. This isn't about beating people up for all of our history, but it's about understanding our history and making things different going forward. And I think that tone usually lands pretty well with Native and non-Native folks. That, you know, it shouldn't be just a pat on the back and ignoring all the horrible things that humans have done to each other. But we're going to take an unflinching look at that, try to understand it more deeply, but really with the spirit of how can we make things different and better. And I don't know about you, but I'm a Native person. I grew up getting a sugar-coated version of Chris Columbus in the first Thanksgiving and very little else to more deeply understand this. So I think most people feel a little flat-footed around these topics. And we all have something to learn and we all have something to teach. So I think the tone helps and that it's also accessible. You know, it's not super academic and has been useful. So yeah, so I get lots and lots of questions and they range from searching to hilarious to deep to provocative. And it's been a lot of fun trying to figure them out. I always tell people, you know, I have a house full of Natives. I don't even know what they're thinking most of the time. I only represent myself. A lot of these topics, you might have a variety of opinions in the Native community. I think you'll find Native people who think very differently about any number of things.
Sure.
The brand new book is called Where Wolves Don't Die. It's my first work of fiction. That was a lot of fun working on that, and it's off to a great start. So I'm really hopeful for where that one will go. I've been really excited about some of the support that's been coming through for Native language work. Mackenzie Scott gave $1.5 million to the Ojibwe Immersion School. Wadukudading. We have a big grant that went to MEAN, which is a nonprofit organization for Ojibwe teacher training. Bemidji State University is going to be receiving about $1 million of that to get in the Ojibwe teacher training program business. There's a lot of really exciting stuff going on. I think for anybody listening, if you are interested in Ojibwe language, culture, history, it's pretty easy to find me, YouTube channel, social media, and at Bemidji State University.